So I got these really nice Ford Performance ignition coils for the Coyote. Got them put in. I got these MSD plugs, hoping they work out pretty well. And then over here, having some clearance issues with the old brake booster. So we're gonna go into a Hydro Boost setup for that. An older, like 99 Mustang. It's much smaller. There's no actual big canister booster. It'll allow me to get closer back into the firewall. I'm hoping next week to finally get this car off its frame. I'll show you that we got a whole Crown Vic torn apart. Got the body off the frame for that relatively easy. But that frame is pretty much ready to go for the swap for this car. So that'd be kind of cool because then this engine will finally fit. It'll sit really nice. Just had to get a new oil pan because my old one was trash. That was kind of cool that Ford did this thing back in the day. These single bolt quick disconnects for all the power for the engine bay. That was pretty neat. Another thing I thought was kind of cool is apparently this was a race spec car back in the day because it came with these really cool quick disconnect body mounts, as you can see. Ford Performance, circa 1972. Yep. You know, it might look a little bit rough, but you know, we definitely got some clear coat on the car. You know, just right there, clear coated. So I guess stick around and come back next week, maybe. I don't know. I'll post another video sometime. I'll have a brand new frame underneath this car. Coyote will be sitting back in there. We'll be fabbing up engine mounts, transmission mount. I'll be getting rid of that brake booster back here. I got to order up that Hydro Boost setup. That can go in. I'm just going to do a really small series of videos, just kind of quick, like, hey, we're doing the brakes. Boom, that video's out. Yeah, I just want to get the car out there more because the car's going to be done this spring. I'm hoping before summertime so I can get it out there, show it off, have fun with it. But until then, comment, like, subscribe. Because you want to stick around to see this car. Share it around, show your friends, show your friends' friends, show your mom, show your grandma, because your grandma probably knows what this car is. But catch you guys on the next one.